If it's for food, I'm okay with it.
Hey, CNG chef. Impossible is nothing.
Let me put things straight right away, guys. I am against trapping, but not against hunting for food. How can I be in favor of trapping if I love nature, if I love going in the outdoors and watch birds and watch trees and camp under the shade of the trees? I know there's a big controversy here in Malta about bird trapping, hunting, FKNK, nature, campers, and you know that we have been doing already some vlogs. There's the link up here. We've been planting trees in our fields in Salmon. Now I am invited for a day with the FKNK group to see what they really do for nature.
We're just in the middle of Buskett Gardens. Yeah, we're at the Mules farmhouse. It's called in English Maltese Razzetta al Bal. It's dated back to the 17th century.
But it's restored now?
Yes, it has been recently restored about 12 years ago.
Okay, good.
And the intent for this place was for the Grand Master to keep his mules here, his working mules here.
Okay.
We've got the nursery. It was initiated last year with another NGO called ACT.
Okay.
As part of the Satjar project to propagate from native trees and shrubs.
Even I made use of it. You can see the link.
We're donating the trees
Thanks very much.
for free. Also, one nice thing is that the project for the month of March has won as the project of the month as part of the FACE Biodiversity Manifesto from 36 European countries.
Oh, that's good. At least Malta is being recognized on certain level. As you can see here are the big parts and the very light part. The seed is this one. These behind me, guys, are all small trees, seeded and or planted here at this place. This is Randa, what we call random Maltese. Look how big and healthy. Let me try better not. We are here with Gilbert, our chef.
This time we're cooking quail.
Yeah,
it's a whole quail. But for the next time, definitely we cook one of the most cooking bird in Scotland and all in Europe. Woodcock. Gallina.
Gallina Maltese.
From the wild to the plate.
Yes, and CNG Trekventures, we are tasting it for you. Yummy! It's good, it's really good. So we're going to go and feed the barn owls. As you can see, we feed them either mice, frozen mice, and they put them out to thaw a bit, or else chicks I think they're called. They are male chicks, and they are as soon as they hatch out of the egg, they are identified as male, and they are frozen just for the sake. From the freezer, they are put down to the fridge to thaw a bit, and then fed to the barn owls, as we are going to see.
5 years ago, it was the administration was given to FKNK in conjunction with the barn owl project. Recent, due to had a break-in, unfortunately, we had assistance from the Minister for the Environment also, and It's this
That's a
project
pity
is-
when
it's
we
quite
try to
coor-
do some project and then we
absolutely.
find people like this.
The project is quite coordinated because we're doing an introduction of a species back into the wild, so we need to collaborate with ERA also to ascertain that the implementation would be one that won't impact biodiversity but rather be a benefit for biodiversity.
And the area is surrounded by cameras, no?
Yes.
Surveillance cameras?
All the nests, the apiaries, the area itself, it's all now CCTV surveyed, so not
very
just for
important.
security purposes but also for the behavior. In due course, when the barn house will be released back to the wild, to understand their adaptation with the surroundings.
Very good.
That's Alba, barn owl with her first hatchling, Alpha. You can see it just near her. And there are another two owlets being brooded by her at the moment. Try and keep a bit our voices down because of the owlets we've got on the nest. Here's the mate. He's called T2 and the female is called Randa.
We were lucky to see those barn owl chicks, or what are they called, Lucas? Chicks,
Owlets, yes.
owlets, small owlets. Thanks to Lucas and the team here.
Yes, the nests are live streamed.
Okay, good. Can you tell us the website or
We
link
will
or something?
provide the link.
Okay,
and you can
I'm
share.
putting it up here so that you can access it, so that they can access it 24 hours.
Yes, 24/7.
Okay, good. And you can see the progress of this owl chicks.
Most of the time,
Barn owls.
barn owls are, as all owls, are active at night because they are nocturnal.
Yes,
so
of course.
if you won't be sleeping at night, you can
You have something
spend
to see.
some time, yes.
Either see any of our vlogs or I'll see the barn owls, okay?
This morning we sold the Sandara gum tree, Maltese RR,
Good.
and several carob seeds also.
And how long do they take to start coming out of the soil? Or-
Be around 6 to 8 weeks.
Okay, so within 6 to 8 weeks they will be this stage or no?
No,
or what?
no,
Much smaller, like this or
Similar to this.
similar to this? Between 6 to 8 weeks. And how much does it take to grow in that stage?
I think it's about 12 to 15 weeks.
12 to 15 weeks they will grow in this stage, guys. And what's this tree?
Ballout Mediterranean oak in English.
Mediterranean oak. So these are all Mediterranean oak. I'm watering them, guys.
The quail breast instead of wine this time for you.
Because of me. But I still tasted it good, eh? But I don't drink wine, but
We're going to go with butter and a bit of oil.
a bit of oil. Yes, let's go! This is mixed spice, guys.
Yay, CNG chef. Hey, yum yum.
It's awesome, guys. We are here in this place, in the same place, and we are in the area called the Cultural Hunting Museum. Lucas, a bit of information about this.
Yes, the main aim of this project basically is to implement the historic course of hunting and live bird capturing. Basically, we're sharing here the passion, which is basically, it has been quite an interesting journey from especially 1920s, 30s. We've got various of photographs here.
They are here, look.
And you can see the changes that have happened during these decades, let's say.
What's this, Lucas, exactly?
Today, unfortunately, it's prohibited. It was a mean of releasing live birds for sport.
Like pigeons or what?
Yes, pigeons, mainly turtle doves, also sparrows. Here you can see the first shooting lab, which was at an attar, where they used to shoot on this type of method. In fact, nowadays the term pull, when they call
when
to
they
release,
shoot, yes,
the target, it derived from the system. Basically, when the shooter would call pull, this rod here would be pulled, and the bird would be released. So, and today we're still using the
that's very good. Pull!
terminology, but on different targets.
Yes.
This book was donated by ERA.
What does the book have?
And there are various, it was a conference, a workshop conference on Maltese endemic tree species, and there's some very interesting information.
Is this one we were seeding earlier?
Yes, that's the other.
Ah, look, we were seeding them earlier. those which are very light then, and we were seeding them in the pots.
So maybe you got some time and...
Oh, thank you very much. So they are donating this book for us, guys. We will be using it during our vlogs. Thanks very much. Hope you enjoyed this different vlog, guys. We had a lot of information by Lucas and the people here and the chef, and hope you liked the food we did. Hope you liked also the close shots from the Barbajan here. Keep on subscribing, keep on giving us your comments. We really appreciate your feedback. Even we had comments from Indonesia, we had comments from Algeria. So the vlogs are running all around the world, guys. A heartfelt thank you. Until we meet for the next vlog, Saha Oslim.